Music can be loud and music can be soft. But in music we don't say loud and soft. We have special words. Who knows how to say loud? Eden, tell me, how do we say loud?
I think.
Who remembers?
Forte.
Exactly, everybody say forte.
Forte.
Let me hear Jackson say forte.
Forte.
And how do we say soft, Jackson?
Piano.
Piano. Piano means quiet. Remember, I told you I want you to tell your mommy, Mommy, I'm going to be piano. And your mommy will say, what? You cannot be a piano. And say, no, Mommy, that means I'm going to be quiet. Now, when I sing loud but beautiful, like this. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school. I don't sing loud like this. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. Yikes, that's too loud. And when I sing soft very nice like this. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. I need to make sure you can hear my voice, but it's beautiful. So who do you think sings better, you or me?
Me.
Let's see. I sing something, you repeat after me. Copy me. Say this. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school.
Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school.
I only heard Eden. I didn't hear Jackson. I didn't hear Lucas. Can you sing it again? And let's see if I can hear Maddie now that she's coming here. Everybody say this. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school. Your turn.
Wake up, the rooster's crowing. Wake up, it's time to school.
Now let's do it soft. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school. Your turn. Now listen to this one. Wake up, it's time to go to school. Forte.
Wake up, it's time to school.
Now do it softly. Wake up, it's time to go to school.
Wake up, it's time to go to school.
Now listen to this one. Cucurico, cucurico, time to go to school. Cucurico, cucurico, time to go to school. Now, we will do it all over again with music, and when I sing forte, I want you to stand up. And when I sing piano, I want you to sit down. Are you ready? Let me get the music ready. And here we go. Okay, stand up everybody, so everybody's ready. Everybody stand up. And let's play forte, and let's play piano. Forte. Stand up. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school. Sit down. Wake up, the rooster's crowing. It's time to go to school. Wake up, it's time to go to school. Wake up. Wait, I don't hear you sing. When it's time to go